All right, so next up, you have to find the pattern. So looking at from one term to the next, it appears, if we start kind of playing around here a little bit, it appears that if I multiply by 2, I get, multiply 1.5 by 2, I get 3. So let's keep trying that. If I multiply 3 by 2, I get 6. And if I multiply 6 by 2, I get 12. So let's continue that pattern. If I multiply 12 by 2, we're going to get 24. And then multiply 24 by 2, you're going to get 48. And then multiply 48 by 2, and you're going to get 96. So your sequence generator is either times 2, or you could write multiply by 2, whatever you're most comfortable with. And then what are the next 3 terms in the sequence? Well, we just found those, 24, 48, and 96. So I would enter those here in the table as well. And then we're going to plot those points on the graph. So the point 5, 24. So looks like these are counting by 5, so it'd be like right about here. 648 is going to put us like right about here. And then 796 way up here. And when you look at that, it's definitely not a linear function. We'll talk more, about what kind of function that is.